Today we're going to be harvesting our honeydew melon, and I want to get its weight before I do. As you can see, it's a nice big one. .56 kilograms. 4.5. What the? Okay, we got our honeydew melon off the vine, and we're going to weigh it in here to see how it compares to the weight we got out there. Looks like 9 pounds, 13 ounces, if I'm reading it right. Okay, I got my 9-pound honeydew melon cut open, and this is something I've never seen before. This is a honeydew melon with yellow meat. Usually the meat is a light green, real similar to the outside color of it. But this is a very nice, kind of a light orange color, and so I'm really looking forward to seeing how it tastes. This is the seeds and things that I just scooped out of the center of it.